Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you how to open with on Linux, because it's a bit different from, for example, Windows. It's not very complicated. I mean, it's just about adding something in the desktop files. The desktop files are just shortcuts for programs on Freedesktop desktop environments. I will also show you how to open it in a terminal, which is pretty useful sometimes, and have this terminal in the background that will show you the errors. An example for Unreal Engine, it's just awesome. So let's go. This is where the applications are stored. As you can see, they are the all users applications in user share applications, and there are the local the user ones in local home local share applications. You see, local share applications .local, of course, it's a hidden folder. You can press Ctrl-H on most distributions to see it. Of course, you can modify as much as you want these applications, especially in your home folder. Of course, they're pretty simple files, just text. You will see just text with a type of application, name, etc. I won't look at all the details now. I will just show you an very easy way to modify them, so we don't waste time. You can use this kind of software. It's called Menu Libre or menu editor in most interfaces. I mean, it's see, menu editor, and launch. Nothing complicated. Menu Libre is, see, spelled like this. So I created an example with an Unreal button. You can see the command line is just pretty simple. You press plus or delete if you don't want it. So let's start again. Plus, add launcher, then choose a title and a description. Nothing incredible. Choose an icon, browse file, and use any icon located in the editor. See, we don't really care. PNG, maybe add something a bit more logical. Command. You can browse by clicking the small button, and up the binary editor. See, it's here. Nothing really weird. The execution folder, working folder in English. France we say dossier d'exécution. Copy paste. So now I want it to run in a terminal. If you watch my my Unreal Engine installation video, you will understand why. It's pretty useful. Here I need to add something to tell it, yeah, it can open files if you add the name of the file behind it. So according to the official documentation, you have %f will give a file directly, or U on your URL, and U, big capital U, can give many URLs at the same time. You see? So we just need a file. Not much more to do. Just do it this way, and it will appear in mime types choices when you need to open file with. But you have something to do before. Very important. In terminal, In terminal, go to preferences. It's very important, do it please. In preferences, I'm using GNOME, GNOME shell, so I'm using GNOME terminal. Most terminals work pretty much the same way. I mean, some won't even try to close, but this one needs you to go to default profile, commands, and when command exits, hold the terminal open, because by default it will exit. You don't want it to exit, you want it to stay open, so you can see why your software crashed or what is the problem. You don't need to browse the logs. You have the terminal with its nice colors to see the errors. It's way better. And you can copy paste just the error, of course. So very useful. As you can see, open with other application or properties. No, it's better. I will use the default. You see, basic permissions. It's allowed to execute. It's an Unreal Engine project, so I can directly open it with something. I will click reset just in case it wasn't updated, but it should be. Where are you, my friend? Where are you, my friend? Unreal. So up, click it, set as default. So now it will open only with Unreal. Click. You see, it will open with the link. Nothing very complicated. Up. Now it opens with this beautiful terminal showing me what's happening, which is so neat. Duke. You can do it with Steam too. With Steam, it's awesome to open it in a terminal. I mean, it already can open URLs, but opening a terminal is perfect. Because if your game has problems, or even Steam, you can see it in the terminal and copy paste it in your bug report. Well, buy you a lot of time. So I'll close it and watch the terminal. Look, it's staying open. So now I can see the errors, and I can also click relaunch if I want to restart the crash program. Up, you see? Oop. Can copy paste anything I want. Isn't it awesome? A bit too much things. Errors. Copy. Up. I can paste it anywhere I want. So, you understand? I don't think there's too much other things to tell you. The rest is pretty straightforward. You can hide it in from the menus if you just want to open with, not show in the menus. You can do many things. How the others look like. As I said, you can hide in the menu and display notification when it's open. If you have any question, in the comments. If you want more videos, you can browse my channel, you can subscribe, you can use the bell if you want to be warned, and of course share it, because I hope it will help as much people as possible, and share the love about Linux too, of course. GNU Linux. No, don't hit me, please. See you soon. Choo-choo.